Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. And in case we continue gearing up, the next key area of resistance that I'm watching is the area at around the $0.0689 mark. And the moment we manage to break above it, we can expect a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. And here on the chart, you can see that we tried to break above that key area of resistance over here, that is yesterday, with no success. And after we got rejected, you can see that we are seeing a bit of a pullback to the lower side in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target area in that wave 2, highlighted here on the chart using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.078 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And before I give you my target area in the formation of this wave 3, allow me to first show you how I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, where I used the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area we have fully maximized. And now giving you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0966 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do here on the short-term scenarios. And for that move to also play out and fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3, we need to get above the 20-day MA on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart, break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark, get a successful retest, continue gearing up, and also see a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot structure right here. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high, then that will be enough confirmation of the massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and the high chances that we are going to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Hbar chart, where you can see that we have peaked in a 5-wave structure to the upside, completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, before we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2. And having seen the formation of that 1-2 setup to the upside, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is impulsive, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, where in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting another micro Elliot wave count, which is right here in red, where we have now picked in that first wave and seen a corrective structure in that wave 2, and this is the Elliot wave structure that has just given me the short-term scenarios here on the Hbar chart. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting a little bit of a breakdown on the charts. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.